In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a ChatGPT conversation. If you've ever had a helpful ChatGPT conversation that you wanted to send to a friend, colleague, classmate, or family member, you'll be happy to know that ChatGPT includes a built-in sharing feature that makes the process quick and easy. Instead of copying and pasting the entire conversation manually, you can generate a shareable link in just a few moments. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it from start to finish. To begin, open the ChatGPT app on your device, or visit the ChatGPT website using your preferred web browser. Sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main screen, locate the conversation that you'd like to share. You can find it in your conversation history, usually displayed along the left side of the interface. Click or tap the conversation so it opens completely. Before sharing, take a moment to review the conversation and make sure it contains only the information you want others to see. Since the shared link allows recipients to view the conversation, it's always a good idea to double-check the content before creating the link. Next, look toward the top right corner of the conversation window. You'll find the Share button there. Click on it to begin the sharing process. ChatGPT will generate a shareable link for that conversation. Depending on your device or browser, the link may be copied to your clipboard automatically, making it ready to paste wherever you want to share it. Once the link has been copied, you can paste it into an email, a messaging app, a document, or any other platform where you'd like to share the conversation. Anyone who receives the link can open it and view the shared conversation through their web browser. This is a convenient way to share useful explanations, creative ideas, project discussions, or other helpful responses without having to recreate the conversation yourself. If you'd like to verify that everything is working correctly, simply paste the link into your browser and open it. You'll be able to see the conversation just as someone else would, allowing you to confirm that the correct chat has been shared. Using the built-in sharing feature is one of the easiest ways to collaborate with others, save useful discussions, or provide additional context without sending multiple screenshots or copying large amounts of text. And that's it. You've now learned how to share a ChatGPT conversation quickly and easily using the built-in share option. It only takes a few clicks to generate a link that you can send almost anywhere. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,